In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayHip with PayPal. First, make sure you're logged into your PayHip account and that you're on the main dashboard. This is the page you usually see right after signing in, where you can view your products, sales, and other account information. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Account. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you into your main account settings area where you can manage how your store works behind the scenes. Inside the settings page, you'll notice several different tabs along the top or side depending on your layout. Look for the tab called Payment Details and click on it. This is where you connect and manage the payment methods your customers can use at checkout. On this page, you'll see a list of payment options that can be added to PayHip. Near the top of that list, you should see PayPal. Next to the PayPal option, there will be a Connect button. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a pop-up window will appear over your screen. In this pop-up, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Type in the correct PayPal email, then click Continue. The pop-up will refresh. After a moment, it should display a message explaining that your PayHip account will be connected to your PayPal account. At the bottom of that message, you'll see a button that says something like Confirm PayPal account. Click this button to move forward. The pop-up will reload again, and this part can take a little while, so be patient and avoid closing the window. Once it finishes loading, you'll be prompted to enter your PayPal email or phone number, and on the next field, your PayPal password. Carefully type in your details, double-check that everything is correct, and then click Login. The pop-up may reload once more. Sometimes PayPal will run an extra security check. It might ask how you want to receive a security code, for example by email or text. Just follow the on-screen instructions, retrieve the code, and enter it where requested. In some cases, you might also be asked to confirm that you allow PayHip to connect to your PayPal account. Make sure you approve or agree to that. Once everything is verified and accepted, you should see a success message, often saying that you're all set. At this point, your PayHip account is connected to your PayPal account, and your customers will be able to pay you through PayPal at checkout.